Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am dealing with 7th class mathematics, ratio and application. In this, I am doing the part of profit and loss. Profit and loss. Some problems basing on this we are going to talk about. And before going to this, let us have a small terminologies, a knowledge about terminologies and certain formulae which you have learnt even in your lower classes. But once again, you have got terminology. First one, cost price. What is this cost price? It is the amount spent to purchase or to make. Either you purchase or you make some item. Something you are purchasing, you are buying. Purchasing means buying. Or you have made an item, something you have made. To make it, whatever requirement that you need, you are purchasing and you are using it to make it. So, some cost you have maintained there to make that item. So, that is considered as cost price. Cost price is usually written as CP. Second one, selling price. What is selling price? It is the of amount of selling an item. Means the amount for which you have sold an item. Let me write like this. The amount for which an item is sold. This is called selling price. Selling price is usually given as SP. Okay. So cost price and SP, selling price you have got. And the third one is profit. Profit means it is nothing but gain. How did you get this gain? If selling price is greater than cost price, you are getting gain. So, what is the formula for profit? Formula is selling price minus cost price. Now, fourth one, loss. Loss, how do you get? If cost price is greater than selling price, that means you have spent more money to purchase that item, but you have sold it with less money. So, what is the formula for loss? Formula is cost price minus selling price. Apart from that, apart from all this, you have certain other formulae, children. I will be writing the other formula here. The other formula you have is profit percent, which can also be written as gain percent. It is nothing but profit by cost price into 100. This is called profit percent. Loss percent, it is nothing but loss by cost price into 100. This is the formula that you have got. Next, if cost price and gain percent is given, then selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain by 100. In your book, these problems are done in the form of certain ratios, but if you do in that way, very lengthy procedure you need to do. There is no harm when you use this formula and do the sums. You can do the sums very easily. So this formula also I am giving it to you. If cost price is given to you and gain percent is given to you, selling price if you want to find out, you have to take cost price and you have to multiply it with 100 plus gain divided by 100. Now, next one. If selling price and first I will write the same thing with loss. If cost price and loss percent is given, then selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss by 100. Next, if selling price and gain percent is given, then cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain. If selling price and loss percent is given, then cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss. So these are the formula, children, which we are going to use in the next problems. Please copy it. It is a kind of introduction also for your chapter. Now, we will be doing the next part, that is example problem, example 30. So what is this example 13? Ramaya bought. It goes on like this. Let me read the problem for you. Ramaya bought pens for rupees 200 and he sold them for rupees 240. Whereas Somaya bought pens for 500 rupees and he sold them for rupees 575. Who made more profit? So this is the question, children. Let us see one by one. Let us first talk about Ramaya. What is Ramaya has done? He has purchased. What did he purchase? Ramaya purchased pens. What is the cost price of the pens? Rupees 200. And what is the selling price? The selling price made is rupees 240. 240. So which is greater here? Selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, it is profit. So what is profit here? Profit formula is selling price minus cost price. That is, selling price is 240 minus cost price is 200. That is rupees 40. But children, you need to go for the percentage also to get the correct answer. So what is profit percent? Profit percent is profit by cost price into 100. So profit is 40 by cost price is 200. into 100. So two zeros will get cancelled, 20. So he has got profit as 20%. This is about Ramaya. Now we will be talking about the other person, Somaya. So what is the cost price of Somaya? Cost price of Somaya is rupees 500. Then what is the selling price? Rupees 575. So selling price is greater than cost price, therefore it is a profit. So what is the formula for profit? It is selling price minus cost price. Selling price 575 minus cost price 500, that is rupees 75 is the profit. Now let us go for profit percentage. Profit percentage, if you see, profit by cost price into 100. So 75 by cost price 500 into 100. So then 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So how much it is? 15%. So see children, when you are talking about profit, only profit when you see, you can say that Somaya has got 75 rupees profit and Ramaya has got 40 rupees. So we consider that 75 is more than 40. So Somaya has got more profit. But is it correct? You cannot consider it as correct because their cost prices are not same. If their cost prices are same, then we can consider just by using the profit. But here their cost prices are different. So only profit will not help you. So we need to find out profit percentage. So on doing profit percentage, see, Ramaya has got 20% profit. Somaya has got 15% profit. So, what does the question ask? Who make more profit? So, who make? Therefore, Ramaya made more profit. So, correct decision we could do only after finding out the percentage. Children, please copy this problem. Now, we will go to example 14. So, example 14 says, a shopkeeper bought a shopkeeper bought a TV. Goes on like this. So let me read the problem. A shopkeeper bought TV for rupees 9,000 and he sold it at rupees 10,000. Find profit or loss and calculate the percentage. So the problem is, first one, cost price. What is cost price given? Cost price of television is rupees how much? 9,000. And selling price of TV is how much? Rupees 10,000. So, which is more children? Selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, it is a profit. So how much is the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 10,000 minus cost price is 9,000. So how much you are getting? 1,000 is the profit. The question is, what is the profit? Is it profit or loss? We said it is a profit. And the next question, calculate the percentage. So what is profit percentage? Let us go for profit percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100. So what is profit? It is 1000 by cost price 9000 into 100. So three zeros will get cancelled. You are getting 100 by 9%. That means 9 ones are 9. Again 9 ones are 9. And what you are getting? 1 by 9%. This is the profit percent, children. This is the answer. Please copy it. Now, example 15. When you see this method is different from what is given in your textbook, children. So, whichever is easy, whichever is acceptable by your teacher, you can do. But I try my level best to see that the sum will be clear to you and easy to you. Now, 15th one, suppose a person buys. It is like this. Suppose a person buys. It goes on like this. So let me read the problem. Suppose a person buys an article for rupees 650 and gains 6% on selling it. Find the selling price. So, actually, in the starting uh, first part of this video, I have told you about various formulae. In that, I have given this formulae. So we are going to use that formula to solve this problem. Now, in this, what they have given, a person buys an article for rupees 650. That means they have given cost price as rupees 650. Cost price is rupees 650. Now, what else they have given? Gain percent they have given 6%. Now the question is, find the selling price. Selling price is how much? So I'm using the formula directly. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain by 100. It's such an easy way, children. Cost price is 650 into 100 plus 6% means 6 by 100. That means 650 into 106 by 100. 0, 0 will get cancelled. So 5 twos are, 5 ones are, 5 threes are, then 2 fives are, 2 threes are. So we are getting its values 13 into 53. 13 into 53, 13 threes are 39. 13 fives are 65, 3, 68. Therefore, selling price is equal to rupees 689. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, example 16. What is this? Example 16. Let us see. Ramesh sold a DVD player. Ramesh sold a DVD player. It goes on like this. Let me read the sum. Ramesh sold a DVD player for rupees 2,800 at a gain of 12%. How much did he buy it? For how much did he buy it? So they have given you the selling price and they are asking you to find out the cost price. So what is given to you? Selling price is given as rupees 2,800 and gain percent is 12%. So what is cost price formula? Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain. So selling price is 2,800 into 100 by 100 plus 12. That means 2,800 into 100 by 112. So 2 5s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 4s are 0 0. Again 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 7s are 0 0. So 7 4s are 2,800. Okay, now 4 25s are 100. So we are getting 100 into 25, that is equal to 2,500. Therefore, cost price is equal to rupees 2,500. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, 17th example. A man sold 2 cycles. Goes on like this. So let me read the problem. A man sold 2 cycles for 3,000 rupees each, gaining 20% on one and losing 20% on the other. Find his gain or loss percent on the whole transaction. So, 2 cycles are with him and he sold. Selling price they have given, and for first one he got a profit, for the second one he got a loss. Both of them he has sold for 3,000 only. So on the whole, is it a gain or loss, and what percentage? That you need to find out. So let us talk about first cycle. For first cycle, selling price is rupees 3,000. Then gain percent is 20%. So first you need to find out cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain. That is 3,000 into 100 by 100 plus 20. 3,000 into 100 by 120. 3 fours are 12, 3 ones are 0, 0, 0. Again, 2 twos are 2 fives are. Again, 2 fives are 0, 0. That means you are getting 500 into 5, that is 2500 you are getting. So, cost price is equal to rupees 2500 you have got for first cycle. So, let us go for the second cycle. Second cycle. For that also selling price is same, rupees 3000, and they said loss percentage. Loss percentage is 20%. You have to find out cost price. So cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss. Gain means you will be writing plus, loss means minus. So selling price is 3000 into 100 by 100 minus 20. So 100 minus 20, you are getting 80. 3000 into 100 by 80. So 0, 2 fours are, 2 fives are. Again, 4 sevens are 28. 2, 4 fives are 20. 0. So with 750. So you are getting 750 into 5. That is equal to 0. 5 fives are 25. 5 sevens are 35 to 37. So cost price is equal to rupees 3750. 3750. So you need to find out on the whole profit or loss. So let us find out total cost price. Total cost price is equal to 2500 plus 3750. So how much? 2500, 3750. So 0, 5, 12, 6 rupees 6250. Now what is total selling price? Two cycles, each one is sold with 3000 rupees. That is 3000 into 2, 6000 rupees. So which is more? Cost price is greater than selling price. When cost price is greater than selling price, means how much amount he has used to purchase the cycles is more than the amount he got after selling. Means what, children? Definitely it is a loss. So we will be saying that therefore it is loss. So how much is loss? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So cost price is 6250 minus selling price is 6000. That means rupees 250 is loss. So loss percentage is loss by cost price into 100. So what is loss? 250 by cost price, total cost price. How much you have got? Total cost price 6250 into 100. So 10, 5 twos are, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. So 125 twos are 250, ones are twos are, that is equal to 4. So therefore loss percentage is equal to 4%. This is the answer for this problem, children. I hope I am clear. Please copy it. Now, example 18. So what is example 18? Example 18 is the cost of an article goes down. The cost of an article is like this. Let me discuss about this one. The cost of an article goes down every year by 20%. Means every year the cost, whatever is its original cost, minus 20%. It goes like that. 20% of its previous value. Find the original cost if the cost of it after 2 years is 19,200. So first year 20% reduction has come. It has occurred. So some price is there. And again 20% of that reduction also after doing, you are getting the cost of that item as 19,200. What is the original cost? This is the question, children. Let us suppose that let the original cost is equal to rupees x. We don't know, so we are considering it as x. Now, what does the problem says? Every year 20% reduction. So, at the end of first year, reduction, that means loss percentage is 20%. So, you need to find out what is the cost price. Cost price of it at the end is nothing but original cost minus 20% of original cost. That is x minus 20 by 100 into x. So 2 ones are 2 fives are. So x minus x by 5. So LCM if you take 5, 5x minus x, 4x by 5 is the cost at the end of first year. Now you go for the end of second year. At the end of second year, the cost is 4x minus 5 minus 20% of 4x minus 5. So after first year ending, the cost has come to 4x by 5. Why it has come down? Because there is a loss of 20%, reduction of 20%. So after doing this calculation, I got this has become the cost of that same item at the second year. Now, after the ending of the second year, what happens? For the same item, reduction is 20%. 20% of what? 20% of the reduced price, which is already reduced here. So, that value minus 20% of 4x by 5. So, this is nothing but 4x by 5 minus 20 by 100 into 4x by 5. So 0, 0, 1s are 5s are. So I am getting 4x by 5 minus 4x by 25. So let me take LCM. LCM becomes 25. 5 5s are, 5 4s are 20x minus this is 4x. That means 16x by 25 I have got. So, what is this 16x by 25? According to problem, I will do it here. According to problem, this 16x by 25 is equal to, they have given the value, how much? 19,200. So, what is x? 19,200 into 25 by 16. So 2 8s are 2 9s are 2 6 are 0 0. Again 8 with 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 0 0. So x is equal to 1200 into 25. So 0 0 25 twos are 50, 25 ones are 25 5 30. So it is 30,000. Therefore, the original price, the original cost is equal to rupees 30,000. This is the answer. Even this sum I have done a different way, children, from your textbook. I hope I am clear. Whichever method is easy, you can do that. If it is textbook method is easy, you can follow. Otherwise, you can follow this method also. This is just for the sake of convenience. I have given. It's another method. Now I'm stopping here, children. With this, I'm stopping today's class. Next class, I wanted to do some sums. I think up to 1 to 6 sums are there in the next exercise basing on this profit and loss. So first we will be doing that problems, and then you have got market price and all that we are going to discuss afterwards.